안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today I want to show you how to make a traditional Korean style fried vegetables. It's called Chaeso Twigim. Kabocha squash is amazingly versatile and it's delicious when fried. Microwave it on high for approximately 3 to 4 minutes to soften the skin, which makes it easier to cut. Cut it into a 1/2 inch thick. I love fried eggplants. Slice it diagonally about 1/2 inch, not too thin because they'll burn easily. Perilla leaves are fragrant and I love the crispy and light fried herbs. We'll be using organic sticky rice flour, 찹쌀가루, for the batter. You can buy it at Asian supermarkets or at online stores. Place the sticky rice flour in 2 separate bowls or plates. Add a pinch of salt to the dry sticky rice flour and add some water to make a wet batter. Make it to a consistency that the vegetables can easily coat. Dry sticky rice flour and wet batter in a combo will give you a light and super crunchy texture. Spray water 2 to 3 times to the dry batter. This is not a must, but slightly moist sticky rice flour sticks well to the vegetables. Coat the squash with the wet batter, then dry batter. Prepare a small pot with 4 cups of oil. Heat it over medium heat and check the temperature of the oil. It's ideal to fry at 180 Celsius degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's crispy outside and cooked inside. I like to use a big bottom small pot when frying at home. This makes it cleaning up after cooking much easier. We'll fry the eggplants in the same way, coat with wet batter, then dry batter. They absorb less moisture and fat during the frying process, making the veggies less greasy. They also fry up crispier than wheat flour and don't easily get soggy. It sounds super crispy. Next is perilla leaves. Frying this herb into sticky rice flour makes it incredibly delicious. You want to coat the same leaf in a wet dough, then in dry sticky rice flour, and fry it until crispy. You want to fry it for a short time, about 10 to 20 seconds. Then you can keep the green color and a crispy texture. I would say you can deep fry almost any vegetable that you like, except for those vegetables that has too much moisture like tomatoes or cucumbers. Today's recipe is vegan and it's gluten-free because we use the sticky rice powder, the rice flour, instead of regular flour. It's very crispy and light. Thank you for watching. See you next time.